As you get older, it can be really hard to get your metabolism to increase. So today I'm going to show you a metabolic smoothie that can help boost your metabolism and get your energy levels up. So as you age, your metabolism can start to decline. I'm in my mid-40s. I've definitely experienced that, especially if you're not as active as you once were when you were younger. So today, I'm going to show you how to make a metabolic smoothie that will help boost your metabolism and increase your energy levels. So in this smoothie, I'm including a few ingredients that are going to help increase your energy. One of those is green tea or matcha powder. So matcha powder contains EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate. That is the active ingredient, which is your metabolic boosting ingredient. Matcha tea also contains caffeine. Caffeine is an energy increaser. It also helps increase mood, boost your neurological focus. All good things when it comes down to your energy during the day and helping you get through, work or whatever it is. So that's my first ingredient. I'm going to pop that in there. I've also included protein. I'm using an isoprotein. Protein has a thermic response. It actually takes the body a lot more energy to burn off protein than it does other ingredients of the same, or other macronutrients of the same caloric value, such as carbohydrates. So you want to make sure you're eating a high protein diet, not just in this smoothie. Next, I'm going to provide a little bit of carb. Carb from fruit energy is a lot better for you than eating processed carbohydrates. Pineapple tastes great, also contains an enzyme that helps break down protein and helps you utilize the energy in your food. So that's a bonus. And mango, because it tastes amazing and it contains lots of good antioxidants, including vitamin C. Banana, yes, it has potassium and all those other minerals that you need, but it also contains inulin. Inulin is a fiber. It's a slow digesting carbohydrate that helps with not only absorbing minerals and nutrients in your diet, but it's going to help release your carbs slowly, so you're not going to be eating, you're going to feel more full eating a smoothie like this or drinking a smoothie like this than you would having any other type of shake. Okay, next up, I've got a little bit of ginger. Ginger can help actually boost metabolism. It contains an ingredient called gingerol, and I'm going to provide an antioxidant-rich avocado, which is high in monounsaturated fats. If you're trying to lose weight, you should have more higher fats in your diet, including fruit like avocado. Fat does not make you fat. Fat helps you burn fat. Lastly, a little bit of citrus. Actually, not lastly. A little bit of citrus, lemon and lime, full of vitamin C. For my creaminess factor, I'm going to add some coconut yogurt. We'll provide a little bit more protein, give you the creaminess, lowering calories than a regular, like a dairy protein, not as heavy. And for my liquid, the last part of this, I'm going to provide a little bit of almond milk, unsweetened almond milk, and some water. So for myself, I've been actually trying to reduce my calories. I haven't been eating as much. I just went through a reconstructive surgery. So I'm trying my best to make sure that the food I'm eating is full of all the nutrients I need to recover and boost my metabolism. Let's blend. Okay, there we have it. Very creamy, very delicious, full of metabolic boosting ingredients that are going to help you have energy, get through your day, and give you some protein.